In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales invoice in Xero, a task that's essential for any business owner or accounting professional handling financial transactions. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking for a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the process in a straightforward and friendly manner. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Make sure you have your credentials ready because this is your access point to managing everything within the platform. Once logged in, look at the top menu of your dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on the Business tab and then select Invoices from the drop-down menu. This section is where you manage all your invoices, giving you a clear overview of what has been sent, saved, or waiting for approval. Next, over on the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says New Invoice. Go ahead and click that. This will bring up a new invoice form ready for you to fill out. In the To field, you can either select an existing customer from your list or add a new one. It's always a good idea to ensure that your customer database is up to date, which will save you time in the future. After you've selected your customer, it's time to enter the invoice details. Here you'll need to input the invoice date, due date, and any reference that might help you or the customer identify this invoice later. The reference is optional, but it can be particularly useful for large transactions or regular clients. Now, you'll move to the Item section. Here, you can select a product or service from your inventory. If it isn't listed, no worries. You can add it manually by typing it in. This is your chance to ensure the invoice accurately reflects what you're billing for. Once your items are in place, you'll need to specify the quantity, unit price, and pick an account, such as sales, to categorize this income. Ensure these details are correct as they directly affect your accounting records. Remember to also double-check the tax rate applied to each line item and adjust it if the default rate doesn't apply. Towards the bottom, there's a spot for notes and payment terms. This is where you can add any additional instructions or friendly reminders for your customers regarding payment methods or timelines. Now you're ready to save your progress. You'll notice options to either save your invoice as a draft